Yeah, you know you don't want to use that.
I don't want you guys to feel blind.
No, don't like to use it.
Hold, you got our endurance runner. Our endurance runner right here.
No, you don't like to use this thing. No, be tough. We live up there. There's a bunch of flags. Yeah, you won't want it. Somebody will say you have something like that, wouldn't you?
Isn't that right?
They use my disc.
Yes, and we got the mixed doubles team.
They don't want to use it.
All right, everybody. All right, stop. Let's do some stretching, okay? Come on. Warm up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.